Hey guys, it's me, Arabian Plays, with my friends, Chachman and On90DG. Shout out to Chachman, Bugs Gaming. Alright, I'm done. Yeah, new mic. Awesome. See you when we start. Alright, we're starting. Topsy Tower? No. No. Where are we going? No, unless you want to die. Yeah, we can go to Dirty. Okay. That's right over here. Look at my marker. Right here. Here, I'll show you. Here. Drop. Let's go to Dirty. I call this middle one right here. Oh shoot. Nice. Nobody's here. I got some pretty good stuff. No, that was supposed to be my chest. Fine. Is that a bolt? I got a bolt action. No, stop taking my stuff. Oh god. Knocked him. I got scared. There's a sports rifle. What kind of loot did that guy have? I only got 10 bullets. This is a terrible place to land. I got a bolt. I came out of that place with actually pretty good stuff. Just saying. I'm going to go get my own chest so I can actually get some loot. Oh yes, green tack. I'll take these minis. No, Jeremy, stop. That is very vulgar, you. A heavy pistol. No, Jeremy, give me back my heavy pistol. Come on! That's why I hate duos. No, squads. Where are we? Oh, we're in the middle of the zone. Yeah. Camping's for noobs. Are we noobs? Yeah, we're noobs. I got terrible loot right now. This stuff is bad. Shoot, no. Dang it! Pump's supposed to be mine. Alright, gonna try and actually get something for myself for once. Health, shotgun, AR. Just take the ammo from that. Take the ammo from this, too. There's nothing up there right now. Yeah, well, there's a few things. I see somebody, I think. No, all the way over here. You guys are so lucky you can get that stuff. Oh, we're still close to the middle of the storm. Or the safe zone. Yeah, I'll take it. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. I think I encountered some. Oh, no matter. I got attack shot. Good for you. I don't feel safe. Ooh, heavy Shamor shotgun ammo. Ooh, that was an epic something. Epic piss. Though, attack shot. No, I'll take attack pistol. You don't want to know where everybody is. None of us are. At least I'm not. I'm knocking down the ceilings to get to the chests. There. Oh shoot, that's a shield, yes. Alright, I'm just gonna heal up now. Yeah, kinda. We're kinda doing good. I don't know, like 100, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I don't think anybody dropped here. What's that? Oh. Oh, yes, I got lucky and picked up the purple tack. Here, I'll take the minis. I got a purple tack. I can take out anybody. Nobody's shooting. I'm just hitting the ceiling. Oh, that's a pump. That's a pump. Alright. Are you serious? Jeremy, don't leave us, even though you have a minute left. Ooh, I'll take that. Wait, no, I want the purple scoped rifle. I'll take that. Oh, that's fine. At least I got the purple scoped. Somebody in the comments is gonna be like, "You're an idiot. You should have took the bolt." Where? That's fine. I'm pretty sure we're still in the zone. We're still in the zone. You do? I don't see anybody. Somebody's probably gonna come from Topsy. Nope. On 90DJ just left us. Dude, watch out, watch out, watch out. That drops a death wish. Watch out! Hear him coming, I'll snipe him. Dude! You're so lucky. Oh shoot, they're coming. We're winning this. Ow. Okay. I got one of them. I'm rushing this other one. Oh no, he's dead. Ow! I got hit. I see him. I hit him once. Here, I'm gonna go rush him. Got him! Yes! GG. Alright. Like and subscribe because I won. See ya.